Good afternoon on Friday the 2nd of February. A bit later than usual with my Bitcoin update, but yeah, I had quite some work to do and still have, but I wanted to do an update before we go into the weekend. Let me first explain the bigger picture. In the past days I explained that I think the bottom is in here for the correction of this move, and that we are going up. But that I want to see, because we broke above here, that I want to see a higher low. Target, by the way, let's go back to the daily, for this next move would be 52,000. Based on Elliott wave calculations or patterns, where we have the bottom in at, what was it, 16K, 15K, 1, 2, 3, this is 4, and then 5, 52,000. Back to my other chart on the 4 hour. So what I want to see now, and we are actually dropping now, but this morning I already said in our group, in my stream, that I didn't trust it and that I want to see a move lower first. But first of all, this was the correction from the top and bottom. For now we have up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is important because past weeks I said when we did have 1, 2, 3, I said we could still come down. We need a fourth and a fifth leg. That happened. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, and what you want to see then is a 1, 2, 3 down before continuation up. That happened, but it's a pretty small, smaller correction. It bounced here from the demand zone, but I prefer to see this move happening and take out this low, let's say at the lower 41,000, 41,300 more or less. Not sure if we get it, but then we would have this ABC towards these levels, which is also the 50% discount zone. On the lower time frame, I said this morning, at least I want to see this move. Imagine this correction is already finished, because we do have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. You see, although we do have a lower high from here, we did break this lower high and went up. So now you want to see a pullback. If we see a bounce from here, then this correction is already finished. So 2 opportunities in my idea. This is the first one, 41,300 more or less, or that correction is already finished here and we do get this correction to, let's say, 42,600. And this is a bull flag for now. Bitcoin is a bit dropping. There was some financial news. The dollar is spiking up, S&P 500 coming down. So yeah, could see some moves now in the coming minutes or hours. For now, I would say this could be finished already, but preferably you want to see a move. Yeah, oh look here. We already have, going to the 50-minute, let me check. Not yet. I was looking if this low was already taken out, if my mouse does what I want to. Yeah. I was looking for this move. So preferably we do get a move into the discount zone. After this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, preferably into the discount zone. Doesn't have to. If it dips to here and then reclaims this level and then goes up, then we are already going higher for the coming days, which also means that if we do that, so what I just showed you like this, or maybe even take out the 0.5, that would mean that this correction of this move is already finished. as said, the alternative is this move to 41,200, 300 more or less. So yeah, that's the plan for the weekend. Usually not too much action around the weekend, so I wouldn't be very if the market is not moving in the coming hours, I wouldn't look for it at Friday night and come back on Monday morning. With the new ETF influences, we do see very low volumes on the weekend, so maybe it's better to look again on Monday morning. But we still have a few hours to go. Let's see what happens.